When God is all you have, then you have what you only need. Let go of the disappointments and setbacks in life. Hang on to the promise of God for you in the future. God has perfect timing for everything. Learn to wait, for it brings Him honor and you the ultimate blessing. God sees your pain. He will provide you new opportunities, bigger and better than before. Obey God is not easy, but it will all be worth it. The greatest weapon to fight stress is the Word of God. Thank God for the simple things like being alive. Give it all to God, and He will get you through it. All forces of darkness can't stop what God has ordained for you in life. God is not ignoring you, He is just preparing you. Always be ready. You are the miracle in the making. Believe in God and you will be blessed. God will give you the strength you need at this most difficult times. Prayer, the most important conversation of the day. With man it is impossible, but with God anything is possible. Trials without God will break you, but if you have God it will make you. Through God alone my future is secured. No one will ever, ever love you more than God. Trust the direction that God leads you. Don't be afraid, just pray, and watch how God have His way.